skin. Use it for 4 nights and get the most beautiful skin you can imagine. All women know that there are many different cosmetic products that will help you with skin blemishes. And some are very efficient, but they are also very expensive. In addition, they are heavily laden with chemicals that are harmful to health and can cause more harm than good. For that reason, they are not good enough for you. Since in addition to the damage they can cause you, you have to pay a lot of money for them. But do not worry, because in this video we are going to show you how to eliminate the nasty spots on your face. You will only need natural ingredients that surely count with them in the kitchen of your home. Then in this video we present a homemade and natural mask with which you can remove the stains on your face many times caused by the sun. Recipe of potato and lemon. You will need the following ingredients: 1 potato and 1/2 lemon juice. Method of preparation: the first thing to do is to make a mashed potato and then add the lemon juice and stir until everything is perfectly well mixed. To apply this mask should be done with smooth circular movements. And let it act on your skin for 20 minutes, and after this time wash your face with plenty of water. Another variant, potato and cucumber recipe. You will need the following ingredients: 1 potato and 1/2 cucumber. Method of preparation: this preparation is very simple. Just put the potato and cucumber in a blender and turn on until we can get a smooth and even mix. For application, you need to apply the mixture with gentle circular movements on the face, leave for 25 minutes, and wash the face with plenty of water.